Producers. How old are you?
Producers for what? I'm 18.
YouTube. What? How old are you?
18.
Are you?
2006.
Fair enough. I just don't want to publish anybody that's under 18.
Oh, that's nice.
Did you know you got a religion that they taught you in school?
What?
In school, they taught you a religion in science class and never taught you it was a religion.
What religion?
Heliocentrism. Ever heard of that?
No.
You ever been told that the Earth is a ball moving around the sun?
Yeah.
That's heliocentrism. That's the religion they taught you.
A religion is a ball moving around the sun. How does that make sense? Well, they worship the fact that the ball's moving around the sun.
I don't know about them worshipping it. The people who came up with it didn't worship it. It's just a model that the church came up with about 500 years ago. But in terms of you believe that you're actually standing on that ball moving around the sun. That's your belief.
But it's not a religion, is it? It's a belief.
Same thing. That's what religion is.
No.
Okay. I mean, it is. That's your religion. It's called heliocentrism. You don't have to like it, but it is a fact. That's your religion.
It's not my religion, actually.
So you don't think you're on a ball flying around the sun, then?
No, my religion, I'm Christian. I'm not heliocentricism.
So you don't think you're on a ball flying around the sun, then?
Am I?
No.
I guess I'm not.
But you were taught that in school, though.
Was I?
Yeah, everyone was.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What if I skip them lessons?
What if you skip the lessons where they taught you about Copernicus and going around the sun on a ball?
What if I did?
Then you'd be a flat earther. Are you a flat earther?
I don't know what I am.
You don't know. You don't know what. Well, up until 5 minutes ago, other than you saying you skipped the lessons, in all your school history, you'd have been taught you're on a globe going around the sun.
I didn't go to school.
You didn't go to school?
Nope.
Fair enough. Maybe I misjudged you. Through ignorance, you've ended up being a flat earther then.
Possibly.
Definitely. We're all flat earthers. That's how Earth's measured.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
What do you do?
Digital marketing.
Do what?
Digital marketing.
Digital marketing of what?
E-items, online items. So I sell prints, I sell online diaries.
Cool. Very good. Well, now you've learned Earth's flat.
Have I? I didn't learn that Earth's flat. I just learned that heliocentrism is a religion. I didn't know that the Earth's flat.
Yeah, that's how it's measured.
What, because the Earth's flat?
Yeah, that's how we measure it.
They measure the Earth by it being flat, so they morph it.
They what, sorry?
I don't get what you mean. How was it measured being flat?
Okay, do you know what latitude is?
Longitude, latitude.
Right.
Right.
What is it? What's it a measure of?
The Earth.
Right, the ground and an angle between you and Polaris. That's what latitude is, right?
Right.
Well, that's a flat Earth and an angle to Polaris. That's a measurement of latitude. Flat.
Really?
Yeah. That's how Earth's measured. Earth is flat.
Yeah.
Learn something new every day.
I'm going to go to the edge of the Earth and jump off.
What edge? Why would you think there's an edge?
Well, if it's flat, there'll be an edge.
Why?
Because flat, it's not a never-ending shape. A sphere has no ends, no edges, no vertices.
You don't. Number one, you said you don't believe in a sphere. And number two,
I never said I didn't believe in a sphere, but I'm saying if there was a sphere, you probably wouldn't be able to jump off. But if there was a flat shape, you would be able to jump off.
That's not a shape. It's an aspect.
But it's a shape. A flat shape. What shape do you think the Earth is? You're saying it's flat. What shape do you think it is? What flat 2D shape do you think the Earth is?
I don't describe it a shape, but the way we measure it is.
You don't describe it a shape, but you measure it as flat.
That's an aspect, yeah.
But you can't name what shape it would be if it was flat. And if it obviously was, the Earth wasn't flat, it'd be a sphere.
No, the idea of it being a sphere comes from those measurements. So, for example, if you look at a globe, it's got latitude lines wrapped around it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Well, where were they measured again?
On Earth.
With angles to the Polaris star?
With the Polaris star, yes.
Right, angles off a flat Earth. That's how it's measured.
Yeah, of a flat piece of Earth, not necessarily a completely flat Earth.
Yeah, completely flat.
Are you sure?
Yeah, so what a latitude line represents is a line from you to Polaris, and it's the Polaris star at the edge of the horizon would be an angle along a very long, flat bit of land between you and where Polaris is above. So the outside rings on a globe are really big. Well, that's how big and flat that area would be.
Yeah, but you're saying this is for longitude, right?
Latitude.
Okay, what about longitude then?
Well, that's just the lines that go down, so they're part of the same measurement. They're a dissection of the circle.
Oh, so you're saying it's a circle?
Yeah.
So you think that Earth is a 2D circle?
No. So when you're measuring Polaris, you've got Polaris and there's you. And you're measuring your angle off the flat Earth to Polaris. And with that angle, you can make a circle around Polaris. So here's Polaris, here's its GP, and there's a circle around it that you're measuring from that angle. Yeah, that's called a circle of equal elevation or circle of equal altitude. Again, flat, equal altitude, same elevation, flat.
Really?
Yeah, but that's just a measurement of Polaris.
Yeah, it's just a measurement of Polaris.
Flat, yeah.
Yeah, flat.
There you go. So you've learned something new. You didn't need that heliocentric education after all.
Well, I didn't really listen to it anyway.
Exactly. Now you know Earth's measured flat, and you didn't need it unindoctrinating into you. Do you want to know something else?
What?
Space is fake. Outer space, the sky vacuum, where they say men are floating around in suits and stuff. Fake.
Oh, you're one of them, are you?
One of them?
What do you think of the government?
No, it's a violation of a law of nature.
Do you believe the government watch you through your phone?
I have no idea.
But do you think?
I don't really have any beliefs about things like that. In terms of why space would be fake, it's because gas fills space. It's a law of nature. Gas disperses into whatever volume it's got.
So what is there besides Earth?
Say again.
So we have Earth, right? What's around us? What's past the sky?
I know.
What's the moon? What's the moon?
Don't know.
So you don't know the moon, but you'll be able to see it from your bedroom window at night.
Yeah, I can see the moon. I've looked at it with a telescope. I just don't know what it is.
So you believe that it's some sort of simulation?
No, I don't know what it is.
So you don't know what the moon is?
I don't know what the sky is either. I know what it isn't. It isn't a vacuum. Because if it was a vacuum, the gas you're breathing would go into it.
Yeah.
And we'd be dead.
Really?
Well, imagine you're in a spacesuit looking back like
Maybe
they say
we
you
are
can.
dead.
And you're looking back at Earth as a ball.
Maybe we are dead.
Well, we're not.
But how do you know that?
I think
How do you know
therefore
what
I
death
am.
is and what death
Descartes.
isn't? What if we had a life before this one that we just had and we are dead? We are dead, but this is actually the second life.
Maybe. Everyone's entitled to their beliefs. But in regards to what you've been lied to about the world, like things like outer space and men going to the moon and looking back at Earth, well, when you think about that lie, you're looking back at Earth with high-pressure gas on it next to a black area. Well, the gas, the clouds that you perhaps maybe thought you were on, although you say you don't, would be next to a vacuum. All the gas that you're breathing would fill that area and would be dead. So the sky's not a vacuum, space is fake. There is no ball in a sky
religion?
vacuum. Say again.
What about religion? God?
I don't really have any religions. There's definitely a God.
So you believe there's 100% a God?
It's not a belief.
But you believe there is a God?
No, it's not a belief. There is definitely a God.
There definitely is a God?
Yeah, not a belief. there's certitude to that statement.
Okay, yeah, but some people
Believe differently.
I'm saying in your case, I'm just saying in your case that you think, obviously you know, but I'm just saying in your case you think that there's a God, right?
No, there is, definitely.
Yeah, okay, but as I just explained, I'm just going to say that you think. I'm not going to say you know there's a God, because I'm just going to say that you think.
Yeah, but that's fair enough, because I haven't told you why I would know that, so you can't...
Okay, why would you know that?
Okay, there's only two possible options for how we came to begin in life. Number one is that nature created what we know. That's part of the lie that the church gave you of being on a ball and going around the sun, by the way. It's called the Big Bang. That's nature creating everything.
I know what the Big Bang is, yeah.
Right, so nature creating us, right? That's one option. The other option is that there was an external creator, otherwise known as a god. So those are your two and only two options. It's a true dichotomy. They're actually called something. That's called the ontological primitive.
Yeah, I'm coming. Well, thank you for informing me. I do have to go.
Oh, bye.
Sorry.
See you later. Yes.
Hi.
Can't hear you. You got us on mute. You're on mute. We can't do anything. You took over the screen. I'm going to come over there and bubble your eye.
I put my thing on mute so you could just carry on as you were.
Come on here and do Omi TV, then let us hear it at least. Shit.
Okay. Fine. Whatever. Moany bugger. I'll be with you in a minute. Sorry.